Another knowledge. What do herons mostly feed on? Fish. The herons and bitterns are carnivorous. The members of this family are mostly associated with the wetlands and water and fed on a variety of live aquatic prey. Their diet includes a wide variety of aquatic animals, including fish, reptiles, amphibians, crustaceans, mollusks, and aquatic insects. Individual species may be generalist or specialized in certain prey types, such as the yellow-crowned night heron, which specializes in crustaceans, particularly crabs. So that is